Hi everyone! Today we want to show you our favorite spots to study, work, rest, and hang out on campus. So join us to see what Ryerson has to offer.
This is the Ryerson Image Centre, and this is my favorite spot on campus because of the photo wall of famous Canadians right up there, and as well it's a great place to watch the Ryerson community and see what's going on campus.
This is the fitness center of the Matt Athletic Center. I first fell in love with this place when I was here in grade 10 for the first robotics competition. Now I love coming here in between classes and after classes to work out and relieve some stress.
Welcome to the 8th floor of the Student Learning Center. My personal favorite spot because it has a great view of the CN Tower and also is a great place to connect with friends and have a great time.
This is one of the TSM Breakout Rooms. This is one of my favorite rooms on campus because you can book it to work individually and collaboratively with groups. It has amazing natural light and a nice big TV where you can work on presentations.
Want to find your favorite spot on campus? Join us for the Ryerson Open House on Saturday, November 9th.
And don't forget to register online ahead of time at this website.
See you there!